No. Tol na. Tol, nag-crash ako.
I'm okay.
Oras sa inyo mga kalods, welcome back sa bagong video at ngayon ay tayo ay maglalaro ng isang horror game na pinangalanan na Suits 776 pero ito ay yung Android version lang which is hindi ganun kagandahan yung graphics compare mo naman sa pinaka-PC version at yung optimization siguro ganun din, not sure lang. So yun, ngayon na maglalaro tayo ng Suits 776 so simulan natin to, let's go na. So press 1 to play na daw, so simulan natin to, why not diba? Ayan, loading na, agad, ang bilis. Please keep in mind that Suits 776 contain flashing lights. Okay, never mind. Does not contain save game functionality. Yeah, hotdog. Sige. So, itong game na ito ay gawa ni Turnbex, pero si Z Technician yung parang ginawa niya ng Android version. Si Z Technician yung pangalan niya. She left her family alone, her 7 years old son. Huh? What? Marcy was a famous architect, a very well-known architect. Unfortunately, she became too well-known. Never mind. It is my intention to prove that Suit 776 exists. All that is left to do is ring her bell. That's all it takes. Just ring the bell. Okay. Okay, simulan na ba? Simulan na ng game? Kasi if oo, then let's go na. Simulan natin to, okay? So freaking excited sa game na to. Like, seriously. Like, whoever naman na hindi mahal sa game na to, diba? Ma-obsess sa ganitong type of game. Like, horror. Yo! What's happening? Oh, sorry. Hindi ko na malayan yung control. Yo, so it developed by Stanislaw Trochowski. Yeah, right. Lagi naman. Di ba natin pwede ayusin sensitivity nito? Like, seryoso? Walang ganun? Okay, so built-in yung sensitivity natin. Diyos mio. Okay, sige. So, ano meron dito? Drawers lock, hover, the lock is simple and the weekend simple. Okay, sure. Fun. Yup, lagi naman. Wala naman masasabi kundi, yeah, doors lock. Okay, sige. Like, kailan ba naman hindi, di ba? So, ring the bell. Bell has been rung. Simula na yata. Okay, lock yun. Sige. Hello? Marcy, are you here? Hello? Okay, wala pa naman. Sige. I don't know what to do with this game. Like, shit, parang, maybe I should try ring the bell one more time. One more time. Okay, sure then. If you say so. Wala naman tayong magagawa, diba? Kasi decision ng game eh. Like, yeah, wala naman tayong magagawa doon. Sige na lang. Ganun na tayo. Sige na lang. Oo na lang. Wala pa din. Lock pa din yung pinto. Grabe ba? Lahat na lang ba talaga dito nakalock? Like, seryoso? Ha? Wala na pa nakabukas? Bell has been wrong on a second time. Okay, there you go. Second time. Baka naman sakaling kakaroon na to na sa inyo, no? Na si Marcy ay nag-e-exist talaga. Huh? Hello? Click the okay. Oh, read the note. Wait. Read the note. Wait lang. I survived Suit 776. It is real. It's all appeared real. But that couldn't be possible. It was on the 12th floor. Yet, looking through the window displayed the first floor. There are over 6 other suits on this floor and labo. Yet, Suit 776 appeared larger with impossible proportions. There was even an upper and lower level of the suit. It made absolutely nonsense whatsoever. And how did I get out? Why am I the only one? I have no clue. I came to Suit 776 with the intention of recording Journey. I set up cameras but all the footage was lost. I don't know what to say. Seryoso. I don't even know what to say right now sa game na to. Like, may nagbukas ang pinto. Wait. Doors lock. Okay, doors lock pa din. God dang! Sino yung nagbukas ng pinto at saan yung binuksan yung pinto? Dito ba? God dang! Lock pa din! Huh? What? Lock. Lock pa din? May nagring pa ng bell. Tol! Tol, ang layo ko pa sa bell. Like, tignan nyo alam nyo na, oh my shit, ang kabayo. Sino yun? Click the action to ring the bell. Bell has been rung on fourth, third, ha? Putang ina mo. Never mind. Sige. Okay. Sure. Sige. Bakit pati tumatawa meron na? Ano? Seryoso, ano meron? Ha? Ano meron? Tang ina nyo? Loko talaga ako. Ano yan? Oo, sige. Sige na. Tol, huwag ka nang choosy dyan. Bumaong ka na yun. So, where are we? Should we go here? Press and hold the left click for night vision. Press right click, tapos napapoto mo. Whoa, what? Press right to access your inventory. Oy! May inventory tayo, kuya. Ito yung picture. Flashlight. Okay. Gets. So, god dang! Nagbago yung lugar. Wait, bukas ba to? Door's locked. Okay. We need to find a key. Go. Lock pa din. Really now? Saan ako harap ng susi ngayon? Maybe we should like click the bell again? Yeah. Lock to hindi natin mabuksan yun. Okay, sure. So, we need to ring the bell again. Ayun, may kinatayo na pick up. Lock. Oh, sure. Sensya na kayo kung hindi smooth yung gameplay guys Sorry po. Okay. Hindi ko rin sinasadya. Well, ito talaga. Wala tayong magagawa. Okay. God dang. So, we're gonna open this door na po. This is it. Dito na talaga magsisimula lahat. Pretty much. Yeah, pretty much dito na. Oh my gosh, may extra door pa dun. Pero bago basahin natin yung notes. Marcy does not appear to be in the proper state of mind. Several tests were conducted testing her reaction to stressful environmental condition. Fractional Marcy displayed include twitching, mumbling, redness, excessive laughter. Marcy decided to end the session early. Unfortunately, I advise you commit Mercy to return for further assessment. Medication may be required as currently the way I see. It's sorry po, di ko mabasa. Bukas to. Talinat nito.
Wala kaming pakialam!
Why am I getting scared right now? What? Bakit ako natatakot for no reason? Hayop. Oh, seems like it's appeared na... Oh, we're gonna find something in here. Click ito. A lock red box with 3 insert above. Wait. Dugo. Pwede ba natin picturean? Ay, bawal. Okay, sige. Di bawal. Sabi kwento nyo yan Architect of the Year. What do you mean by the Architect of... oo nga pala. Architect nga pala si Marcy, no? Sorry, nakalimutan ko po. Sensya na po. Doors lock. Yeah, lock pa din. Should we like ring the bell right now? Kasi wala na ako makitang iba pwede kong gawin. Like, seriously. Wala na talaga. Wait. Can we open the ano na? No? Okay, sige. Bawal, di ba? Sige po. I don't know what to do. Hello? No one here? Lock? Okay, sure. Oh, fun. Yung control, grabe. Ang hirap ng control, ang hirap i-maintain. Grabe ba? Pero sige. Doors lock. I think we need to ring this bell. Yeah, oh my gosh. We just ring the bell. Okay, sure. No freaking way. No one here. Can I open the door? What? Ring. Tol, I just ring the bell. Kakaring ko lang. Na naman, lock na naman. Oh, really now? Oh my god. Sige po. Okay. Sino ba naman ako para tumanggi, diba? Ito na, 6th time na. Ano? Oh, I just ring the bell. Oh, what are you gonna do? Ano, are you gonna kill me na? Ano? Oh, ito na, I just ring the bell. Oh, bukas na ba to? Lock pa din. Diyos mio. Sige. Lock. Oh. Oh my God. Okay, sure. Click the action to interact with the door. Photograph. I don't know what's that photograph, pero I mean yung photograph para saan yun, pero sige. Mga kuya ate, hindi to, I think you, wait, what's, paa ba yan? Oh no, wait, picturean natin yan. Tol! Can't you like take a freaking bit? So freaking creepy, huh? Don't you realize it? Ha? Loko ka ba? Oh my gosh, dugo. Wala pa din. Oh, anong evidence ba gusto nyo? Fridge, oh may fridge lock pa tayo. Grabe. Parang ayaw ka pakainin ng mga tao dito ah. I'll read notes again. Interviewers. You mentioned that Marcy had a bell on her desk at the office. Would you mind repeating what you told me prior to this interview? Coworker. Well, every time she would read something online about herself on her work that she didn't agree, she would ring that bell. The bell rang continuously, especially after she finished the construction of her new home. Her masterpiece, as she called it. Interviewer, she was an angry person, wasn't she? Wasn't she? Puro na ako biro dito, puro na ako. There's lock but there's a force giving it shot. Okay, sige. So, what are we supposed to do? So, by the way, may nakuha nga pala tayong hairpin. So, I think yung hairpin gagamitin naman natin dito for... May code on 10. Okay. Oh, screwdriver. Screwdriver for what? Saan? Tol, hindi pa ba enough na evidence to? Are we gonna go up na? Tol. I'm not liking this anymore. Like, oh my gosh. Sige. So, try natin to buksan yan. Pwede. With the 3 insert above. So, what are we gonna do? If there's a 3 insert above, wala naman tayong magagawa dun. Pero saan natin gagamitin to? Yung screwdriver? Ha? Saan? I don't know. Oh my shit. Ang kabayo. Wait, what? Wait lang. Manahimik ka muna dyan. Dead. Picture natin yan, matik. Tol, ano mo kunin to? Ayaw mo kunin to, dead. Tol, it's enough evidence. Don't you realize it, ha? Sheesh. I don't know what to do, guys. Sorry, ah. Hindi ko na talaga alam gagawin ko sa game na to. Like, seryoso. So, punta muna tayo dito sandali kasi ring. Oh, ito na po. I'm gonna ring the bell na. Oo na, sige na. Ito na, ha? Ito na, manahimik ka na dyan. Sige na. Oh. Ayan na. Niring ko na, ha? Niring ko na. Oh my shit. Ang kabayo. Wala. Hi! Bakit may... time first guys. Wait lang. Post ko muna sandali kasi pinagpapawisan na ako. Okay, so I'm back na. At yes, ready na po ako ulit tapusin to. So, dito na nga tayo sa part ng mannequin, no? Which is, I don't know kung ano meron dito. Bakit nagkaroon? Comes... what? Hindi ko magets. Wait lang ah. I think we should like photograph this one. Wait lang, this one. Tol, sabi ko this one. Wala talaga. Isn't this weird for you or isn't this not weird enough for you, ha? Kasi tol, tignan mo naman, ha? Tignan mo naman. Inang buhay to. Wala, hindi rin natin mabuksan yun. Okay, sige. So, we're gonna go here na lang. Just no choice tayo. Pero sige, kasi yun naman gusto ni... Oh my... Ayup ka... Oh my shit. Wait, umikot tayo. Gagi guys, umikot tayo. No. Umikot tayo guys. Hindi pwede to. Hindi pwede to. Umikot tayo, god dang. There's luck. No. Okay, no. Just, no. Manahimik kayo dyan. Akala ko nawala yung mannequin out of nowhere. So, kung di natin oh, ito bukas na ulit. There you go. So, inaayahan niya tayo umakti. Oh my god, sabi Sabi na eh, tama talaga ako eh. Wait, ano to? What is this door? Strange door with a strong lock securing it. Oh. Okay. Click option to. Oh, photograph. Eh, may photograph na tayo ulit. There you go. I think di na natin kailangan mag-photograph this time. Yeah? Okay. Lock yun. Kasi may mga woods eh. Was already. Oh, there's ito. Already unlock na po. There you go. Click option to interact. Huh? What? There's something in the drain. I need to try and find a way to reach it. How? Yung hairpin kanina, tol. Ay, nasira yata sa Wait lang. Sorry. Ay, ito. Think pwede natin gamitin yung nandito sa loob. There you go. Ano yan? 68.45. 68.45 for what? Wait. 68.45. Sandali 68.45. Wait lang. God dang! Marcy? Oh my fun. No. There you go. No. Tol, nag-crash ako. At nag-crash yung game. So, I think yun lang yung game. Huh? Yeah, I think yun lang yung game eh. Pero sige, na-picture na natin siya. So, di mo lang ata yun or something. Pero, so yun. Alright tayo dyan mga kalos. Maraming salamat sa parang video na to.